Today we will watch various manufacturing units of Volvo. These plants are located in Torslanda, Ghent and Chengdu. Manufacturing starts by cutting pieces from a steel roll. After that, these pieces are pressed by a stamping press machine. Then the body parts are inspected. After that, these body parts are spot welded by robots to create the car skeleton. Now the upper and lower body panels are welded by spot welding. After welding, the body is inspected at various joints. Now the body take a bath in anti-corrosion paint. The surface is cleaned before painting. The car is painted in different colors according to customers. After that, the paint is inspected. Now various parts are installed in the body. Then the dashboard is attached in the car. Now the body is attached to the chassis. Various parts are attached at different assembling stations. Finally, the car is ready for delivery.